How to fix Snapchat quick ad not showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Snapchat's quick ad not showing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So sometimes you can just fix this simple glitch by removing it from a background. So just go to your background app and swipe up. That will remove your Snapchat from your background. Doing that will restart your Snapchat, and then you can just head to your friend section and add new friends. Check if the quick ad is working. If that didn't work, you might want to clear your cache. For that, head over to your settings, scroll down till you find General, tap on it, and there you should see iPhone storage. Tap on iPhone storage, and there you should find Snapchat. So scroll down till you find Snapchat and then open it up. Right there, you'll find offload button. Tap on the offload button and then reinstall the app. Doing that should fix the issue, but if that does not fix the issue, the only thing that can fix the issue is by updating your Snapchat to the latest version. For that, open up your app store and search for Snapchat. Right there, you'll find Snapchat and you'll see the update button. Tap on update to update your app, and after updating, your issue will get fixed. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.